How to find contacts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list, click on Settings, and then click on Account. And here you want to search for Contacts Syncing. Once you find it, click on it. And in this page, you want to turn the Connect Contacts toggle on, just like I did. As you can see here, it tells you that to help people connect on Instagram, your contacts are periodically synced and stored in the Instagram servers, which means that every now and then Instagram will sync your contact list and it will store them in the Instagram server, and you are the one who have the choice to which one you can follow. And that's it. By doing this, your contacts are now synced. So what you need to do is go back and click on the Find People to Follow tab at the bottom right here, or the Add a Person icon next to the Edit Profile button at the top, and Instagram will start suggesting contacts among other people like friends of friends and stuff like that. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find your contact on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.